Started.
Now the host.
I'm making you the host.
नहीं, अब अपने आप क्लेम होस्ट कर लेती हूँ मैं।
अच्छा ऐसा।
वो ऑप्शन पता नहीं था उस टाइम शायद अपडेट नहीं किया था जूम को। सर आप भी रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट कर लीजिए। हाँ सर लेफ्ट हो गए।
हाँ मैम।
टेक्निकल एरर। विजय सर तो अभी नहीं आए आई थिंक। एक्चुअली कोई जब फोन के नाम से आता है ना तो मुझे फिर पता नहीं चल पाता है।
अभी तो ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो फोन के नाम से आया हो।
सर
रेडमी
पे कोई रेडमी पे।
अच्छा
तो वो रेडमी पे विजय सर तो नहीं है।
अनम्यूटेड है, थोड़ा बताएं रेडमी पे कौन है।
विजय सर आ गए।
हेलो बेटा कैसे हो?
हाँ नमस्ते। हाँ चंद्रशेखर अंकल मैं एकदम ठीक हूँ।
अच्छा ये अभी आपका वीडियो ऑन नहीं है।
राजीव अभी सर सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। एक मिनट राजीव सर आ जाएं। एक मिनट मैं कॉल कर लेती हूँ। आई थिंक सर का
इस समय कहाँ है विजय?
अंकल आई एम इन पुणे।
अच्छा
हाँ
ओके। सभी लोग ठीक हैं?
हाँ सब ठीक है।
ओके। और वो बेटी
आइए। हेलो
ओके
हेलो।
हाँ हेलो I hope everybody can see my video.
No, we are not able to see you. I think have you put the screen behind? Have you put the screen?
विजय सर आपका जो
अगर आपका चेहरा नहीं आ रहा है
सर वो कृष्ण और उनकी फोटो आ रही है।
हाँ कृष्ण की।
आपका फेस सर पीछे आप जो बैकग्राउंड यूज कर रहे हैं आपका फेस उसके पीछे छिप जा रहा है।
Just hold on. Now can you see me?
No sir.
Hello.
Yes. No sir.
Hello.
No sir.
Welcome.
So you're audible and you're not visible.
Oh, I am audible and not visible. That is the biggest demotivating factor, है ना? Before starting of the presentation.
True sir.
Just hold on. I'll
ये डियर किस नंबर पे रेडमी कहाँ पे हो देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ मैं।
सर विजय नाम से ही है विजय सर।
अभी आपने होस्ट नहीं बनाया, मुझे एक बार होस्ट बना दीजिए।
सर आप लेफ्ट हो गए थे, मैंने बना दिया।
ठीक है थैंक यू। विजय सर नाम से ही है,
I think he left.
Hello, good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Shiva. Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome. Hello, Vijay.
Sir, I think he's
Vijay.
left. Now he has joined.
आ गए हैं शायद. Welcome, dear. तो मेरे ख्याल से प्रार्थी आप विजय.
Rajiv, I hope you can hear me now.
Yes. अब मैं सुन पा रहा हूँ, लेकिन आप दिखाई नहीं दे रहे हो.
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा हूँ.
कुछ बैकग्राउंड का प्रॉब्लम जो है आपका, उसकी वजह से शायद कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. जो आपने बैकग्राउंड सेट किया है
सर वो बैकग्राउंड हटा दीजिए आप.
उसकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम.
इसका जूम का.
हाँ सर.
हाँ, जो आपने बैकग्राउंड से सेट किया हुआ
बैकग्राउंड आप यूज कर रहे हैं वो हटा दीजिए सर.
ओके, मैं कोई बैकग्राउंड यूज नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
हमारा है आपका फेस उस इमेज के पीछे. अच्छा, ओके.
ये बैकग्राउंड गलती से लग गया होगा जूम में, तो इस वजह से
जस्ट
राइट
ट्रांसपेरेंट सा दिखने लगता है. जब तक ग्रीन स्क्रीन पीछे ना हो तब तक पीछे दिखता नहीं है, फिर पूरा चेहरा नहीं दिखता.
एग्जैक्टली. अगर सभी लोग मोबाइल की जगह अपना नाम लिखें तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, अच्छा लगेगा सभी को. अगर रीनेम कर लें.
सर सभी लोग नाम से हैं, बस एक रेडमी है जो कि मोबाइल से है, बाकी सब नाम से हैं.
मेरा इशारा रेडमी साहब की तरफ ही था.
ओके सर.
थोड़ा सा वैसे ज्वाइन कर लिया उन्होंने. हाँ, अब हम लोग देख पा रहे हैं. वेलकम विजय.
थैंक यू राजीव.
प्रार्थी, आप सब ठीक ठाक है और आप स्टार्ट करें.
Okay. So an auspicious evening to all. I'm Prarthi and I, along with all BJSF members, welcomes you to this live talk session. So let me introduce you to Bindas Jeev Social Foundation. BJSF was founded by a respected Mr. Rajiv Verma, and it was formally registered in the year 2018. It mainly works in 3 sectors, that is health, education, and environment. It's a non-profit organization and it aims to help the needy. Till now, it has conducted various events, be it blood donation camps, plantation schemes, charities, and much more. So this was all about BJSF. So now let's welcome our keynote speaker guest for today. Today we have with us a military leader who leads and guides many. He's selfless and courageous and is serving our country with eager. So please welcome Lieutenant Colonel Vijay Mishra. We are indeed most delighted to welcome this distinguished personality in our midst today. Sir, we warmly welcome you here today. I will say your mere presence has filled the atmosphere with sense of patriotism and bravery. So let me tell you, sir is a native of Lucknow and he has completed his high school and intermediate from Jubilee College, Lucknow, and graduation and post-graduation from Lucknow University. And he's always had this sole ambition to join the army. So, sir, let's start from the starting. Please, sir, give us a summary of your career.
Thank you, Prachi. And first of all, I would like to thank my dear friend Rajiv. And I can see one more face, Rajkumar. He is also on this platform. So first of all, uh, I would like to thank Rajiv for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of this August gathering. And I am really very happy and excited to deliver the lecture on motivation, because motivation is need of on our, especially in today's world. And what we are facing back to back in year 2020, it is very pertinent as far as everyone of this country is concerned. So career, as you mentioned, I am the student of Golden Jubilee Inter College. You were absolutely correct. It was not Jubilee, it was Golden Jubilee, and it is still a Golden Jubilee. And now, as far as my understanding goes, the college, the Golden Jubilee Inter College of Lucknow is going to be the first college of UP where they are planning to start English medium branches from class 9th onwards. So I am the alumni of that college, and we had a very good association. And Rajiv and Rajkumar and myself used to go on bicycle, and I was actually my sole ambition is to join army only. And I appeared in the examination of combined defense services, which was after my post graduation. And at that time I was working for a very short tenure of 3-4 months. And in between I got through in army, and I have put in almost 22 years of service. And I started my career as a lieutenant and gunner artillery officer, and today I am lieutenant colonel posted in Pune. So that is all in brief. Now Prachi, what I understand from this, that it is more interactive. It is going to be more interactive, so if you have any, you can ask.
Yes, sir. It was your journey was amazing. So, so let's know how you manage your work-life balance, like how you manage your work life, since you're a man of great responsibility. So, was it ever challenging for you?
Actually, there is no word as work-life balance in army, because army is not a job. First of all, let me clarify that. So we are not working here. So it is a corporate coined word, work-life balance. Because in army we start our day early in the morning at 5 o'clock with a short run of 5 to 10 kilometers. So your work and life, everything is balanced from early morning onwards. And then we come back and goes to the office when we are our borders. So this is how the forge works. Prachi, I hope you can hear me. And hello.
I'm really sorry for the
Hello.
inconvenience. Yes, sir. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience caused. Actually, the host has muted me, and so due to some technical issues. Uh, yeah, thank you so much, sir. Sir, you were having some presentation on motivation to show us. So, would you please like to say, am I audible?
Okay. Okay. Let me start formally with the presentation part of motivation. So I hope now I have 15-20 minutes uninterrupted, Prachi.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay. So firstly, as you have already given my introduction, I am from Lucknow and put in for 20 years of service, and right now I am posted in Pune. I am a gunner officer, basically dealing with all missiles, guns, and other things. And what is the requirement of motivation today? So I was discussing with my friend ki what is the most pertinent topic as far as today's world is concerned. So we homed on to motivation. Why? Because the year 2020 started with 3 C's. If you see, it started with Corona, then came the cyclone, and now we are dealing with China. And still we are in June. So still almost 6.5 months to go. So these 3 C's are over. You never know what is other things are there in the pipeline. Let me clear you threadbare. Firstly, the information access is there everywhere, and that too negative information, whether it be the digital platform or the print media, or even when we are interacting socially. हम बात किसकी करते हैं? आज 10,000 थे, कल 15,000 आंकड़ा हो गया है, कल 20,000 लोगों को कोरोना हो गया है, 36 लोगों की डेथ हो गई है। पॉजिटिविटी बहुत कम हो रही है एवरीवेयर, वेरेवर वी आर इंटरेक्टिंग, चाहे हम ऑफिस में जाते हैं, घर में रहते हैं, एज अ हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ वी आर इंटरेक्टिंग, एज अ फ्रेंड व्हेन वी आर इंटरेक्टिंग, इफ यू सी कि वी हैव स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग नेगेटिव थिंग्स, we are discussing 100 things, we are discussing almost 85 things which are negative, and over a period of time they are directly or indirectly changing our mindset, which is not good for a society in long run. So that is why we are discussing motivation today. Second is sense of insecurity. Why? The insecurity of job, the financial insecurity, and insecurity to be alone. पोस्ट कोरोना हमने देखा ये 3 चीजें, दे आर वेरी पर्टिनेंट. You are working from home. Those who are in corporate world, they never know whether tomorrow they'll be getting the pink slip or not, whether they'll be getting their salary or not. Though they are working 24/7, it is very difficult to work from home, because working from home comes with additional responsibility. That too in security and insecurity to be alone. So that is why we are discussing motivation today. Third is fear psychosis. डर है, 24 घंटे हम सब डरे हुए हैं कि पता नहीं किसको कोरोना हो जाए, किसी को खांसी आती है, आपने कभी डरते हुए देखा नहीं हो किसी को. हम पहले सबसे हाथ मिलाते थे, गले मिलते थे. अभी now this distance is a new norm of the society. So when the distance is the new norm of the society, so negativity spreads. Because as an Indian, we are very, very social. We like to interact, we like to socialize, we like to party. But because of this new norm of the society post corona or the existing environment, we are very, very insecure, and that is why the fear psychosis is going on in the society. That is why we are discussing this motivation. And lastly, the imbalance, whether that is physical imbalance, social imbalance, or psychological imbalance. And because of this imbalance, physical, social, and psychological, we all are living in a state of confusion. That is why we are discussing motivation today, and it is need of an hour. So before I move forward, can anyone just in message box give me a liner about motivation? What is your perception about motivation? आप क्या सोचते हैं motivation के बारे में? एक छोटा सा 3-4 वर्ड या एक सिंगल वर्ड, so that I can see. टाइप कर सकते हैं आप. चैट बॉक्स में आप टाइप कर सकते हैं एक सिंगल वर्ड, सो दैट मैं आपका परसेप्शन देख सकूं मोटिवेशन के बारे में क्या है. ओके, पॉजिटिव, विभाती ने बोला है पॉजिटिव. ओके, पावर, एकलव्य ने बोला है पावर. वेरी गुड. डेडिकेशन, अपूर्वा पांडे. ओके, need of something leads to motivation, Manoj Kumar. And positivity and Purnima Revati has said uplifting. Okay, लगभग सभी they are it is their perception, they are correct, because motivation में nobody is wrong and nobody is right. It is your perception about motivation, and upliftment, positivity, power, dedication, need of something leads to motivation. Everything is correct. But what is my understanding about motivation? I am going to give you a brief. Firstly, motivation makes you alive and kicking. You always smile, and you are always in the state of happiness when you are motivated. You always have this sense of accomplishment. You always feel complete. और जब ये सारी चीजें होती हैं, when you feel complete, then the net output which you produce is going to positively contribute to the society. Whether you are at home, whether you are dealing with the relationships, whether you are dealing personally, professionally, socially, economically, anywhere, you are going to contribute positively only. That is the need of an hour. So that is why motivation is very important for everyone. Otherwise, you get into the vicious cycle of negativity, and ultimately you are going to ruin your life and ruin the life of your family members, and in turn the society. Now, one more question from 1 to 10, the scale of 1 to 10. I request all the participants to just message me, are you enjoying the lockdown or are you enjoying the corona? 1 is you are not enjoying, 2 is you are slightly enjoying, and 10 is you are having good time at your home. So please just text me. Okay, Rashmi Khare has sent 10, enjoying lockdown. Okay, 10. Everybody has said 10. Okay, having good time at home. Okay, so it means the participants are motivated enough and they don't want this lecture on motivation. It's very good that it's nice to see that everybody is having good time at home, and they are enjoying at home and enjoying the lockdown. 9.5 utilizing lockdown. Okay, great. 9, 10. So now next is, I'm just going to briefly touch Maslow's theory. I'm not going to pakao you, and it's actually Mr. Maslow was one gentleman who is directly or indirectly linked with the theory of motivation. So what theory he has given, I'm just going to briefly touch. Then I'll share my experiences of motivation. So what he has said, that motivation you can describe in 5 steps. First is, individual satisfy its lower needs. Then the satisfied needs no longer motivates. Then motivated individual depends on the hierarchy. Hierarchy means their position in the society, and the motivation ka level starts from lower to higher, and finally the individual reaches at the level of self-actualization. Now in easy terms, I am going to explain you what he wants to say. Suppose there is a labor working in some factory. So that individual is at a lower state of society. So his requirement in life is more or less about physiological needs only. He is working for food, he is working for some physical requirements, he is working for, you can say, physical relationships. So at the lower state of the society, individual works for physical things which gives him happiness, and they are also called survival needs. Second stage is the safety needs. Suppose an individual who is earning 15 to 20,000, he start working for his safety needs. He wants some small insurance, some small health insurance, or some family insurance, or some small house he's looking for. But he's a lower middle class man. Then is a third stage and fourth stage where an individual is working for the power. And then finally you see the CEOs, the Ambanis, the Adanis, they are the fourth class of individual. They are working for power, they are working for esteem needs, they are working for businesses, they are working for esteem needs, and finally comes the state of self-actualization, where all the sadhus, mahatmas, you must have seen the example of the great philanthropists like Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Ajit Premji, those who has donated the amount of 20 to 35 billion dollar of their wealth to the society. So they are in the state of actualization. Why they are doing this? Because they want to be 24/7. They want to be motivated. That is why they are working this. So motivation ka level differs from the position in the society.
Vijay sir,
Now, yes.
sorry to interrupt. I need to announce that the meeting will end soon in hardly 2 minutes. So please rejoin yourself as soon as the meeting ends.
Okay.
I hope I was audible. Yes, sir. Please.
Yes. You are. Now, how to motivate? The biggest question is, everybody talks about motivation. We have to be motivated, but how to motivate it? How to motivate yourself? That is $1 million question. So motivation is not that easy, baby. Everybody has given 10 on the scale of 1 to 10. Everybody has given 9 and 10. But heart to heart, you know that how you are enjoying the lockdown, especially if you are married and you have to spend 24/7 with your wife. So that is a very, very challenging task as far as every married individual is concerned. I don't know about the spinsters and the bachelors. So how to motivate? Firstly, avoid. Avoid what? Avoid news. Avoid social media. Avoid negative company. Avoid comparison. Avoid justifying. Please don't stop justifying to the world. And avoid junk food and avoid boozing. So news, social media, negative company, comparison, justification, junk food and boozing. When you are avoiding these 6-7 simple things, automatically your mental state transforms from negativity to positivity and you are motivated. So please avoid this thing. Try for these things for 6-7 days. You automatically will realize that you are in the state of actualization. You have reached at the state of actualization just by avoiding these things. So now, what are the other methods? There are 3 methods. We'll discuss one by one. Physical, mental and spiritual. So what are the physical methods? Physical methods are irrespective whether you have time or not. Go for walk. Go for jog. If you cannot go out, you are staying in 2 BHK or 3 BHK or 1 BHK, do yoga, do aerobic, do non-aerobic exercises, do push-ups, sit-ups, do stretching, and keep on gradually increasing your limits. Suppose you are doing 10 Surya Namaskar today, tomorrow try to do 11 and day after 12. So that is why you are challenging yourself and you are competing with yourself and you are always in the cycle of positivity. Second is mental. So how you are going to motivate yourself mentally? Talk, talk and talk. That is the golden mantra. Talk with your friends, talk with your family, talk with your near and dear ones. Even if you don't like someone, talk to him also. It is going to give you the eternal bliss and peace. Meditate. Meditate, I'm not telling you to meditate like a sadhu or Osho. Meditate is just sit, relax. That's some music which gives you happiness, which